Hey, what are you looking for when you're viewing a home? You need to look for a few things and ask a few questions of yourself in order to consider that what you're viewing in the home is what you want and what you need, and it'll make the process go by much easier. I'm Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency in Ozark, Missouri, and I'm living in the Ozarks. Today, let's look at some questions. These are some questions that you should ask yourself when walking through a home that you're considering buying. If you like this info, give the video a like, a comment, anything that you consider as good information. Just go ahead and hit that button and subscribe. Stick around, because later I want to give you some more information that you can receive as a bonus. Let's get started. Okay, when you're walking through a house, do you see the things that you need? You know, the features that you must have. For example, the number of bedrooms, the closet space, the kitchen. What do you want? What do you need for your purposes? Next, what do you want? You got to consider, are there features here that you would like to have, but maybe you could live without, but you want to have these things? For instance, maybe a large backyard, a big family room, a dining room. How about what is the general condition of the house? Okay, it may look great on the outside, but are there signs that the owners have kept up with repairs and maintenance? You don't want one that's been neglected. Will the home need any major repairs if it has been neglected? Is it for remodeling? Is it for renovation? Is there something wrong with the furnace? Will it need to be replaced? The HVAC system? You got to consider these things because those are big expenses. And what do you like most about the house? Is there anything about the house that you don't like? Can it be changed with remodeling or a renovation? And are you into that? Would you consider doing that in the future? What about the neighborhood? Are the homes well kept? Are they indicating that people show pride in their ownership? Is it a nice place to be, a safe place to be? Do you like where the home is situated in the neighborhood? Is it a corner lot? Is it in the middle of the neighborhood? Do you like that? And does the neighborhood have what you want? For example, is there access to public transit, shopping, local parks? Is there a place for the kids to play? Is there an HOA, and do you have a pool? You know, when you're buying a home, it shouldn't be a frustrating process to go through. It should be fun. You should be looking at homes, and you should have your checklist, and you should try to have exactly what you want to ask in mind before you go into the house. But if you are interested in buying a home in the Springfield, Missouri area, I know that there are a lot of good realtors, and I would be more than happy to help you. If you would like, shoot me an email, call me, text me, however you want to get a hold of me, and I will help you out. Now, if you are a first-time home buyer and this all seems new to you, then go ahead and click the link below, and it has some great information for you as a first-time home buyer. Thanks so much for visiting today. I'm Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency, and I'm living in the Ozarks.